What if I told you that your brand new Toyota Tundra could fail catastrophically before it even hits 50,000 miles? Bearings shredded, turbos grenading, repair bills skyrocketing past $18,000. For decades, Toyota meant reliability. But the twin-turbo V6 in the 2022 to 2026 Tundra is turning that promise upside down. This video exposes exactly what went wrong, why so many engines failed prematurely, and why the 2027 Tundra promises a full durability reset. Whether you own one of these trucks or are considering buying, this information could save thousands of dollars and countless headaches. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to SUV Squad, and turn on notifications so you never miss critical updates on SUVs, engines, and automotive reliability. The promise that broke. For decades, Toyota built its reputation on one promise: durability. The old 5.7-liter V8 Tundra was a legend of mechanical simplicity. It could tow heavy loads through desert heat, endure neglect, and still run flawlessly while other trucks faltered. Owners routinely abused these engines, and the result was a safety margin so large that failures were almost unheard of. That engine wasn't flashy, it wasn't the pinnacle of efficiency, but it was overbuilt, simple, and reliable. Then 2022 arrived, and Toyota made a choice that would shake this foundation. They discontinued the 5.7-liter V8 and introduced a twin turbocharged V6. At first glance, this looked like progress. More torque, better fuel economy, faster acceleration. Dealers couldn't keep them on the lots. And the automotive press praised the future of truck performance. But behind the praise, the nightmare quietly began. When engines started dying, owners began reporting engine failures at shockingly low mileages. Trucks that should have been barely broken in were shutting down between 30,000 and 50,000 miles. The symptoms were consistent and dramatic. Metallic knocking that grew louder each day, oil pressure warnings flashing during towing, engines seizing mid-drive, and sudden complete power loss. One owner in Texas was towing a boat uphill when his brand new Tundra simply stopped. The dealership quoted $18,000 for a complete engine replacement. Another owner in Colorado experienced failure at 42,000 miles. Covered under warranty, yet he was without his truck for 6 weeks. This was not a series of flukes. The pattern spread nationwide. Social media and forums exploded. Tear-down videos appeared on YouTube showing destroyed engine internals. Toyota remained publicly silent. No recalls, no press releases, only technical service bulletins quietly buried in dealership systems. The situation was dire, and loyal Toyota buyers felt utterly betrayed. Inside the failure, what went wrong? After weeks of investigation, involving conversations with independent mechanics, former Toyota engineers, and analysis of oil samples and engine teardown photos, 4 main failure points emerged that collectively turned the new twin-turbo V6 into a reliability nightmare. Bearing catastrophe. The most catastrophic failures originated with the main and rod bearings, the components that prevent the crankshaft from grinding against connecting rods. These bearings were designed to last well over 300,000 miles, yet in early Tundras they were failing before 50,000 miles. The problems stem from overly tight engineering tolerances. Tighter tolerances reduce friction and improve fuel economy on paper, but under heavy load and sustained highway towing, oil temperatures would spike. Heated oil loses viscosity, causing the protective film between the bearing and crankshaft to break down. When metal contacts metal at thousands of RPM, deep scoring, heat discoloration, and catastrophic bearing wear occur. Engine builders reported teardown photos showing wear patterns comparable to 200,000 miles of abuse in engines with fewer than 50,000 miles. Oil starvation under boost. Turbocharged engines are highly dependent on continuous, high-quality oil flow. The turbos spin at over 100,000 RPM and require consistent lubrication to survive. In early Tundras, during high RPM and heavy boost conditions, such as towing a trailer uphill, the oil system could not maintain proper lubrication. The oil aerated and turned into foam. Foamy oil cannot form a stable film, meaning bearings and other components were effectively unprotected. Dash gauges often showed normal pressure, But in reality, the lubrication reaching critical parts was inadequate. Technicians privately admitted that early oil system strategies prioritized fuel efficiency over thermal stability, a compromise that proved disastrous under real-world conditions. Turbo heat soak and oil coking. The twin turbos themselves introduced a new point of failure. Exhaust gases exceeded 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, spinning turbine wheels at extreme speeds. After hard towing sessions, owners would shut down the truck, trapping heat inside the turbo housings. This residual heat caused the oil inside turbo feed lines to carbonize, forming hard deposits. Restricted oil flow led to turbo bearing failure. Single turbo replacement costs hovered around $3,500. Dual turbos reached $7,000 plus labor. And if debris spread through the engine, complete replacement became necessary. The early Tundra's thermal management simply could not handle real-world heat loads. Aggressive calibration strategy. The new engine was aggressively tuned for maximum torque and emissions compliance. Boost engaged at low RPM, cylinder pressure spiked, and bearings endured far more stress than the old V8 ever experienced. The durability tests conducted in laboratories passed, but they failed to simulate real-world American truck use. Maximum towing in high temperatures, sustained payloads, repeated mountain climbs, and long idling periods on job sites. This mismatch between lab testing and real-world abuse exposed the engine's weak points, the cover-up. By late 2023, Toyota quietly updated dealership systems with revised bearing and oil pump part numbers and ECU software revisions labeled vaguely as engine performance improvements. Engines were being replaced at rates far above normal, yet technicians were instructed not to discuss failure patterns with owners. Toyota was attempting to manage the issue quietly, avoiding public acknowledgement, recalls, and potential class action lawsuits that would threaten billions in liability and long-term brand reputation. They hoped the problem would fade quietly, but the patterns were impossible to ignore. Forums erupted, YouTube teardowns proliferated, and independent mechanics documented the failures with precision. By mid-2024, Toyota faced a choice: continue denial or engineer a real fix. They chose the latter. The 2027 Tundra Durability Reset. The 2027 Tundra update, internally called a Durability Reset, represents a comprehensive engineering response. The goal was to address the exact failure points without sacrificing too much efficiency or performance. Redesigned bearings. The bearings were completely redesigned. New materials, polymer coatings, and slightly looser tolerances allow them to handle higher thermal loads while maintaining a stable oil film. When engine builders report wear patterns from 2027 test units, after 100,000 simulated miles show dramatically improved longevity compared to early units. Toyota sacrificed minimal efficiency for massive gains in durability margin, a trade-off engineers agree should have been implemented in 2022. Oil system overhaul. The oil system received a complete redesign. Oil pump control strategies now prioritize pressure stability and thermal management over marginal fuel economy. Flow paths were enlarged and rerouted to ensure critical components receive proper lubrication under sustained towing and high-speed highway use. Internal baffling prevents oil aeration, and the oil cooler has greater heat exchange capacity. Total oil volume slightly increased to absorb heat more effectively. The result is a system capable of maintaining consistent lubrication even under extreme conditions. Turbo thermal management. Intelligent cool-down logic was introduced. After heavy operation, the ECU circulates oil and maintains idle for up to 60 seconds post-shutdown, preventing heat soak and oil coking. Heat shielding around the turbos has been improved. Oil feed lines use materials with higher temperature tolerance, and routing minimizes thermal exposure during operation. Turbos can now survive past 100,000 miles instead of being ticking time bombs. Smarter torque delivery. The engine's torque delivery was recalibrated to spread power more evenly across the RPM range. Peak torque remains impressive, but shock loads on bearings and crank journals are reduced. Drivers notice little difference in performance, yet engine internals experience less stress, increasing longevity. Real-world validation. Toyota finally tested the 2027 engine under conditions that replicate real American truck use. maximum towing in Arizona heat, stop-and-go traffic in humid environments, repeated mountain passes, and extended idle cycles like those experienced on construction sites. Early oil analyses show significantly reduced metal content in used oil samples, indicating lower internal wear and higher durability margins. The verdict: can you trust the 2027 Tundra V6? While it will never match the mechanical simplicity of the old 5.7-liter V8, the new engine now aligns much closer to traditional Toyota durability standards. Turbo engines inherently add complexity and potential failure points, but the 2027 revisions address the precise weaknesses that caused early failures. Conservative bearing tolerances, enhanced oil flow, smarter torque delivery, and real-world testing suggest this engine was finally built with the abuse American truck owners expect. Survival guide for current owners. For 2022 to 2026 owners, preventive measures remain crucial. Changing oil every 5,000 miles with high-quality full synthetic is mandatory. After towing, idling for 60 to 90 seconds allows turbos to cool properly. Watch for warning signs such as metallic knocking, oil pressure fluctuations, or unusual vibrations, and maintain meticulous service records. Early detection and careful maintenance can prevent catastrophic engine failure and massive repair bills. Final thoughts. Toyota stumbled with the twin-turbo V6 Tundra, betraying decades of reliability trust. The 2027 durability reset represents a serious engineering correction, not a marketing maneuver. While turbocharged engines remain inherently more complex than naturally aspirated V8s, the new design addresses the key points that caused failure in early models. Whether this will fully restore Toyota's legendary reputation will depend on long-term real-world use, but for the first time since 2022, the Tundra engine shows margins that match the abuse American truck owners demand. For those considering a 2027 Tundra purchase, the engineering philosophy has shifted back toward durability, reliability, and survival in worst-case scenarios. The era of ticking engine time bombs may finally be over. If you own a 2022 to 2026 Tundra, these insights could save you thousands of dollars in repairs. If you're considering a 2027 Tundra, now you know what actually changed under the hood. I want to hear from you. Comment below if you've experienced any engine issues or if your 2027 Tundra is performing flawlessly. Your stories help other truck owners make smart decisions. Hit like, subscribe to SUV Squad, and turn on notifications for more inside scoops on SUV engines, reliability, and automotive news. Don't just watch. Be part of the community that knows what's really happening under the hood. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.